Uninstall the old version of Arceus X NEO or any other Roblox executor you're using. Open the Chrome browser and visit the allexecutor.com website. Click on Arceus X NEO APK from the top menu. Scroll down and choose any download server to download the Arceus X NEO APK. Click the Download button on MediaFire. Arceus X NEO will start downloading and should complete in about 1 minute. After the download is complete, click the Open button. Click the Install button. Click the Open button. Turn on All Files Access for Roblox. Go back and log in to your Roblox account in Arceus X NEO. Choose any game to exploit using Arceus X NEO. Click the Play button. The game will load in a few seconds. After the game starts, wait for the Arceus X NEO menu to pop up. Enjoy exploiting Roblox using Arceus X NEO, thanks to the SPDM team.